Hello everybody, Badger Aboard in Thailand here. Thank you very much for clicking onto the channel. We're just driving down the main road that goes from Central Festival through to the crossroads at KATHU, which if you take a left you'll end up going to Patong. But before we get to the crossroads, what we're going to do is we're going to brake left and take you to the local reservoir. Hi, Badger Aboard in Thailand here. So we had come to do a little mini series called The Long Way Around KATHU. As we're in lockdown, we're only allowed in KATHU, we're not allowed to leave. We had come to show you the dam, which is only about 5% full at the moment. Unfortunately, as you can see, they've closed it off. So we will have to come back another day to show you around what's the name of the dam? Katwa?
Thailand Phuket.
I ain't got a chance in hell saying that. As you can see, I failed on the name of the reservoir. I called the reservoir a dam and it was closed. So for our first video, a monumental fuck up. So what we're going to do now is go to Kata Waterfall. We took it to the reservoir. Unfortunately the reservoir was closed. For the last 3 months the waterfall has been dry, where we've had a drought. Lucky enough the past 3 days it's poured down with rain in the evening. So we're lucky enough, we've got a stream and we're going to take you up the stairs to the waterfall shortly. So here we are at the stream before the waterfall. So when you get to the little bridge, basically when you come to KATHU Waterfall, you get to a dead end. You can't go any further, but you get to there. But just at the dead end, there's a humpback bridge, a little bridge, and if you go to the left of the bridge before you go over it, you'll find this little place. Slow flowing water, shallow pools. It's ideal for a family, those that don't want to walk up the mountain towards the waterfall, because you know it's a bit of a trek. If you've got health conditions or young family, then it may not be ideal for you to take the trek up there. So this place may be suitable for you. Well, I said I'd take you to KATHU Waterfall, and well, I've certainly come here, but as you can see, there's very little water in the waterfall. This is because we're in the middle of a 3-month drought. As I mentioned earlier, it has rained for the past 3 nights, but obviously that's not enough to saturate a mountain with water to make it fall down the waterfall. Just to paint the picture so you'd know how nice this place is when there isn't a drought. The water would normally come cascading off of all of these rocks, and there's about 5 more levels above this section of waterfall here. When there's no drought here in Phuket, this here is a lovely little pool. Those rocks are submerged and you get those little fish that nibble your feet. It's very pleasant to stay here. The water is very, very refreshing. So we get asked a lot of questions about the rainy season. Does it rain all the time? No. It just belts it down for about an hour, maybe two. The roads will turn to a river, so if you're unlucky enough to be outside while the rain's coming down, you are going to get soaked or have your bike fill up with water. Take your chances, but it's very hit and miss. It typically falls in between 4 till 6 at night, and past that then there's no rain, likewise in the morning. So that's the little bridge I mentioned earlier that you park up just there and you walk over here and go up those stairs to the waterfall. But if you don't want to go up the stairs to the waterfall, you can just come and chill out here. Got a pool there and a pool here. And if you're feeling a bit brave, you can go down those steps there and you can jump into that pool there, which is very lovely indeed. What is it, Dar?
It's fantastic fun. 45 บาท
Thai tea, like something out of a dream. Oh Thai tea, oh Thai tea. Well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Just going to leave you with some lovely footage of me driving towards the mountains. And I hope you all stay safe and look after yourselves. Goodbye for now.